Ever stop to ponder about that refreshing gulp of air you just inhaled? Or how our surroundings function in such an intricate yet seemingly effortless harmony? Welcome to the realm of environmental science, where we decode the mysteries of our natural universe. Consider, for instance, the oxygen cycle. During daylight hours, trees and vegetation absorb carbon dioxide, bask in sunlight, and emit oxygen. This process, known as photosynthesis, is like the trees offering us a breathe easy. It's an uncomplicated trade, yet one that sustains life on our planet. Let's probe into biodiversity. Picture a mosaic. Each tile represents a different species. Alone, they're just tiles, but collectively they create a stunning, intricate design. Biodiversity is the spectrum of life on Earth in all its manifestations and interactions. If one tile or species is lost, the design begins to fall apart. Hence, the protection of biodiversity is paramount. Climate change is another intriguing yet disturbing facet of environmental science. The Earth's climate has always been in flux, but lately the velocity has surged. Imagine it as a tune playing on a gramophone. Suddenly the tempo control is turned up and the tune begins to play at breakneck speed. That's the effect human activities are having on our climate. Next, let's examine the water cycle. Picture a ceaseless marathon with water molecules as the runners. The race commences in the oceans, where the sun's warmth triggers evaporation. The water vapor ascends, condenses into clouds, and descends back to the earth as rainfall. Then it's back to the oceans and the marathon resumes. Today, we've journeyed through various facets of environmental science. The oxygen cycle and its life-sustaining exchange, the complex mosaic of biodiversity, the disturbing speed-up of climate change, and the continuous marathon of the water cycle. Each concept, though straightforward when dissected, constitutes a part of the elaborate contraption that is our planet. Grasping these concepts is the initial step towards conserving and safeguarding our natural world. So, the next time you inhale a gulp of fresh air, recall the trees that labored to provide it. When you watch a myriad of animals in a wildlife film, reflect on the significance of biodiversity. When it showers, visualize the water molecules in their unending marathon. And when you hear about climate change, remember the tune playing too swiftly on the gramophone. Because the more we comprehend our world, the more effectively we can strive to preserve it. And that, dear listeners, is the crux of environmental science.